हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज एसए का पेपर था. सो टुडे वाज एसएस पेपर फॉर यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन एंड वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस सम ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस एसए. एंड जो एसए था दो पार्ट्स में था, सेक्शन ए एंड सेक्शन बी. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द कंटेंट वाज लाइक विच वाज इजीली अवेलेबल टू यू इन द क्वांटम जंप बुक. जो फर्स्ट पार्ट है उसमें थोड़ा सा फिलोसफिकल सेंटेंसेस नज़र आते हैं. सेकंड पार्ट जो है वो आपको फिक्स्ड मतलब साइंटिफिक टॉपिक्स जैसा आप समझ सकते हैं, या फिर जिसके पास आपके पास फिक्स्ड कंटेंट हो उस टाइप के टॉपिक्स हैं आपके पास. तो अगर हम सेक्शन 1 देखें, सेक्शन 1 में जैसे कि फर्स्ट ऐसे का टॉपिक है लाइफ इज़ लॉन्ग जर्नी बिटवीन ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड बीइंग ह्यूमन. सो बेसिकली ये जो टॉपिक है, इस टॉपिक में आपको लगता तो ऐसा है कि फिलोसफिकल है, लेकिन इसको आपको थोड़ा टेक्निकल बनाना है, इसको आपको कन्वर्ट करना है कि आप सब्सटेंशिएट कर सके अपने पॉइंट्स को. जैसे बीइंग ह्यूमन एंड ह्यूमन बीइंग, दैट मीन्स यू आर बॉर्न लाइक अ मशीन or a human being, but how you become sympathetic, how you become empathetic, that is what you have to travel in your whole journey. So this question, the content for this question was easily available in the book. The ethics part में and the quotation was also available in this book. And इसमें जो कुछ themes दी थी ऐसे की, that was also very much useful for this topic. Then mindful manifesto is the catalyst to a tranquil self. So mindful manifesto means you have to be very much analytic, you have to examine your life, you have to do research and then come to a conclusion. So this is what you have to write in this question, that if you want to reach to a conclusive solution देन यू हैव टू बी वेरी मच एनालिटिक. सो इसमें आपको साइंस एंड टेक का भी पार्ट आपको लिखना था. आपको इसमें जो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है उसके बारे में लिख सकते हैं, डेटा एनालिटिक्स के बारे में लिख सकते हैं. सिमिलरली जो एथिक्स के कुछ टॉपिक्स हैं उनके जो थिंकर्स हैं उनको भी आप कोट कर सकते हैं. देन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज शिप्स डू नॉट सिंक बिकॉज वाटर अराउंड देम, ships sinks because of water that gets into them. So basically it is talking about the security, it is talking about how robust your systems are. So in this you can also talk about internal security, you can talk about terrorism, you can talk about international relationship. So there is plethora of content with which you can substantiate such kind of questions. Then simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. So this question is also seems to be very much philosophical, but you have to write it in a scientific way. You have to write with respect to agriculture, you have to write with respect to children, you have to write with respect to women, you have to write with respect to artificial intelligence. So there are multiple scenario in which you can link such kind of questions. Now the second part is that culture is what we are and civilization is what we have. So in such kind of question the whole content for the culture was especially available in the theme topic of this quantum jump. And quantum jump जो starting वाले portion है उसमें भी culture का topic दिया हुआ, so you can easily refer to this. Then next is 6th number. There can be no social justice without economic prosperity, but economic prosperity without social justice is meaningless. So this social justice part is also given in this quantum jump. The constitutional articles are given, judgments are given, and some quotations which you can very well use in your essay part. Then patriarchy question. Patriarchy is the least noticed yet the most significant structure of social inequality. So this social inequality diagrams are also given in this quantum jump, which you could have made in your answer in your essay. And similarly patriarchy, the women issue is specifically focused in this book. The data is available, the quotations are available. Then last topic, technology as a silent factor in international relations. So technology part is given as a separate theme in this book. You can easily refer and link them with the international relations. You can use some diagrams also. Obviously not so many diagrams, but at least 1 or 2 diagrams can be made in this topic. So basically the paper was very simple, and those students who have attempted this, they messaged me, and some of them called me that they were very much at ease while writing the answer because of this quantum jump book, and we will discuss all these essays in detail, right? And whenever I have time, if you have any doubt, you can comment, right? Thank you very much.